The life path 8, the influencer. If you were born into this number's vibration, you're on a personal journey to grow into your power and become an authority in the world. Your highest path will ask you to perfect your relationship with money and learn how to use your wealth to serve the world. Before we get started, if you'd like to know your life path, soul, urge, destiny number, click the link down below in the description. Life path number 8, highest path. In numerology, the number 8 symbolizes the infinite flow and balance of energy and power. As an individual, you flourish when you're ascending the stepping stool to progress, accomplishing your objectives and obviously, winning cash consequently. You have aspiration, you're resolved, persevering, key and appear to have an inborn information on the best way to play the game. This life path number is bound to ascend to the top, however it isn't generally as simple as it looks. You'll unquestionably experience a considerable amount of battle and hardship, yet the key, number 8, is to comprehend that scouring toward challenge is exactly how you'll get what it takes and quality you have to win. Meaning of the number 8. In almost all systems of numerology, 8 is the number of renewal. Many will examine this number symbolizing cash and power, yet its vibration conveys quite a lot more. It's actual the intensity of the 8 is quite often instrumental in building incredible realms, yet it will similarly as before long wreck them. Along these lines, in its most noteworthy emphasis, this number speaks to adjust. Much the same as the endless progression of the boundlessness image, which is equivalent to the single-digit 8 on its side, the vitality of the 8 must continue moving. Numbers can be used to describe everything from the DNA sequences that connect you to your ancestors, to your most ordinary and everyday encounters. Everything in life has a sacred meaning and purpose, and numbers can help you figure out what that is. For this reason, we like to think of numerology as decoding the voice of the universe. The number 8 in history, mythology, astrology and religion. The Buddhist path is eightfold. The same great mother goddess is often depicted in Native American art and myth as the 8-legged grandmother spider, weaving her web of life. The symbol of the ancient Sumerian goddess Ishtar was the 8-pointed star. In astrology, the planet Saturn vibrates to the frequency of the 8. The 8th sign of the zodiac is Scorpio, where the sun sails from October 23rd to November 22nd. In tarot, card number 8 is justice or strength. You're naturally influential. You have amazing self-control and figure out how to keep up objective arranged in any event, when hard times arise. Since you're so frequently way out in front, individuals watch and realize when you're near, regardless of whether you know it or not. You're a stand-apart guide to such a significant number of throughout everyday life, but since of this, any shortcomings or chinks in your protective layer are additionally there, for all to see. So it's extra significant for you to play the game decently. Life path number 8, love, relationships and compatibility. Relationships with you, number 8, can be a taste of the high life. You're emphatic and submitted and appreciate going out on the town and imparting encounters to the ones you love. But on the other hand, you're wildly free and have been since birth, so accept if you can discover an accomplice who can bear the cost of you the reality you have to pursue your own way. Your relationship could wind up in a tough situation. It's significant you give enough of yourself to them. You don't normally really think about your own life, and the vast majority of your time and vitality is spent on work and your vocation objectives, so this may demonstrate precarious. In any case, not everything worth having in life can be purchased and paid for in hard money. There is always a bright side, and an optimistic new way to look at the world, and you're the one to see it. Ready to discover more about your personal numerology? Click the link down below to know more about your life path numbers. Thanks for watching.